that is self-protecting. Bakit? Kala mo nagyayabang, kala mo may pride, kala mo may gaslight, pero yun yung natural reaction, yun yung fight. Sa ilalim niya, andun yung fear. Kasi makikita mo insecurity. Mabubuking mo procrastinator, mabubuking mo mali, mabubuking mo yung wounds na ayaw niyang ipakita kahit sino. Mind you, unconscious majority to. Can you say unconscious? So iyon, you protect yourself by hurting others. Kaya nag-i-interplay ang shame and the primary emotion ang nakikita mo, usually ang nakikita mo is the primary emotion. Nakikita mo takot, nakikita mo mayabang, nakikita mo defensive. Pero ilalim nun, andun yung shame. And you normally don't encounter shame without fear. Magkakambal sila.